For those that are potentially unfamiliar with that part of the business, which was, almost the key, I mean, how was that development really progressed under your tenure as the CEO?
Yeah. Yeah, I think, we've raised the market cap when I come on. We raised the market cap from like, I guess 18 million, 17 million up to 125 or something now, wherever it is, with this new acquisition. But also the share price has gone up with it, right? The share price has gone up 300% over that time period as well, right? So we've been able to manage that, not just straight growth, but also bring the shareholders along with us now. It's not 10 or 20 times, but at least every year we're kind of progressing on the
Mhm.
on the way up. So yeah, so and again, it's been, I find these things sometimes get overcapitalized, right? I worry about some of these minor metals get overcapitalized, and then you got to struggle with the banks, and you got to, you know what I mean? And nothing ever runs smoothly. So I think we've taken a little bit of a different approach at it, where we just kind of taken bite sizes, and we've taken a slow ramp up, on Carbine, understanding the issues, the problems, and work through them, on very minor base, right? And then now we're
Mm.
ready to put the next stage in and double the plant capacity one more time, and go forward. So yeah.